Welcome. In this video we'll walk through how to back up your Thunderbird emails, ensuring you always have a safe copy of your important mail and attachments. Backing up your Thunderbird emails is important for many reasons. You could accidentally delete an email, your system might crash, or you may later want to move to a new device or email client. Having a backup means you're prepared and in control. There are two common ways to back up Thunderbird. One is a manual approach. The other uses export tools or a dedicated backup software. For the manual method, open Thunderbird and go to Menu. Add ONS and Themes. Search for Import-Export Tools. NG and click Add to Thunderbird. Confirm by clicking an Add and then restart Thunderbird. Right-click the folder you want to back up. Select Import-Export Tools. NG. Export all messages. Choose file format, pick a destination, and save your Thunderbird emails. This manual method is free and easy, but it has limitations. The second method uses a backup or export tool. Using a dedicated tool gives you flexibility. You can export only the folders you need, filter by date, choose different formats, and preserve your folder structure. You select the Thunderbird profile or folders you want to back up. Pick the format you want, PST, EML, PDF. Choose where to save, and let the tool do the work. It's more flexible and efficient, especially if you have a large mailbox or need to move to another client. Just remember, ensure you have enough space, and ideally keep your backup in 2 locations for redundancy. Download the tool from the link given in the description below. Thank you for watching! Don't wait until it's too late. Go ahead and back up your Thunderbird emails today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more email backup and migration tutorials.